careful.
Ubaba afundisa uthi qaphela.
He does not say it's walk in that shadow and be careful.
Akathi hamba lapho kuleso sithunzi bese
But he means be careful of each and everything that will try to penetrate your heart.
qaphela yonke into ezama ungena
Be careful
enhlizweni
of
yakho.
each and every corruption that will try to enter your heart.
Qaphela konke ukukhohlakala okungena
Because of
enhlizweni
if
yakho.
corruption can enter your heart,
Ngoba ukukhohlakala mangangena enhlizweni yakho.
that corruption will darken your heart.
Lokho kukhohlakala kuzoyenza
And when that
inhliziyo
corruption
emnyama.
darken your heart,
Manje
you
lokho
will go into the shadow.
uzohamba
You
esithunzini.
will walk in the shadow.
Uzohamba esithunzini.
Spirit that is in you, it does not only go alone, but it goes with the light. So as you go to the life, it is also found in you. When you go into the world, you will reveal the life. And when you speak life, no one can come against you.